Morning, my name is Fakri Izzat bin Zainuddin. My metric number is 180505.
Hi, my name is Nur Fakrina Hanem binti Badruddin and my metric number is 180467.
Hi, my name is Nur Atika binti Muhammad Karikian. My metric number is 177818.
Hi, my name is Amina Zulkifli. My metric number is 180530.
My name is Joanne Tan Zahin and my matrix number is 180512.
My name is Joel Shane Benedict. My matrix number is 179226.
Alright, so today we're given SCL 8 and for this video is for our last LAX. We're given about the lysosomal and glycogen storage diseases. So the signs is multifocal neurological signs. The causes is some specific enzyme deficiency. So far there are no treatment for this kind of diseases. So our group is group 14. We're given the Mertox-Lemy syndrome for feline, that is cats. And who's going to introduce about these diseases?
I can introduce you all a little bit.
Alright.
So basically, it is a rare genetic metabolic disorder that belongs to a group known as a mucopolysaccharidosis. It can occur in three types, which is the classical severe type, intermediate type, and mild type. This syndrome is characterized by deficiency in the enzyme erysulfatase B, which lead to an excess of dermatan sulfate in urine.
Wait, I'm going to explain first about the erysulfatase B. So this enzyme is situated in the lysosome and it is associated with the mucopolysaccharidosis 6 that is mentioned by Anna before. And then this kind of enzyme is present in the liver, pancreas and also the kidneys of animals. So this purpose of the enzyme is to hydrolyze sulfates in the body, but we also call it as ARSB. They hydrolyze sulfate by breaking down GAG, glucose aminoglycans. There are two types of glucose aminoglycans that break down by this kind of enzyme, that is the dermatan sulfate and also chondroitin sulfate. So continue, Anna.
I will continue. This syndrome is group of inherited lysosomal storage diseases. Lysosomes function, we all know, lysosomes function as the primary digestive unit within the cell. It can digest particular complex such as carbohydrate and fats. So the deficiency of this lysosomal enzyme can lead to abnormal accumulation of a certain complex such as carbohydrate in the arteries, skeleton, eye, that may cause progressive damage to tissue and various organ system, and it is inherited as an autosomal recessive trait. So,
Anna, do you know what is a recessive trait?
Oh no, can you explain a little bit?
Okay, actually a recessive trait, in humans we have two traits. One is dominant trait and one is recessive traits. So our parents, we have two genes in us. One is from our father, one is from our mother. So one of the genes is a dominant gene and one is a recessive one. So for example, let's say your mom has black hair and your dad has brown hair. So the dominant trait is the black hair and the recessive one is the brown hair. So let's say if they have a baby, the baby will appear to have black hair, but because the dominant trait is the black hair, but in his genes he will still have the recessive trait, which is the brown hair. So this person, the child, can also have another child that has a brown hair. So that's what's the meaning of a recessive trait. Yeah.
Alright, so next we're going to talk about
The symptoms.
The symptoms. Okay, firstly, this disease can be detected by increase of the excess dermatan sulfate in the urine. And among of the symptoms of a cat that have this syndrome is they may suffer from vision loss, and then also have hearing loss and also various skeletal abnormalities such as at the joints and mostly in the pelvic area of the leg side. Okay, next.
We know that this disease is actually a lysosomal storage disease. So, Joanne, maybe you can explain what happened in the disease. I mean, what happened to the lysosome? What is the function of the lysosome?
Like what Anna said, if lysosome it normally breaks down the unwanted material to smaller particles. So the enzyme, the lysosomic enzyme, will eventually break down. So what happens if, let's say, this lysosome does not function at all?
Actually, if the enzyme, specifically the aryl sulfatase B enzyme, the enzyme doesn't function, it can lead to abnormal accumulation of certain complex carbohydrates such as mucopolysaccharide or the what Fakri said, GAGs, glycosaminoglycans. It can accumulate in the arteries, skeleton, eyes, joints, ears, skin, or maybe teeth, and it can also be found in the respiratory system, liver, spleen, in central nervous system, blood, bone marrow, and so many other parts of our body, and can eventually cause progressive damage to cell, tissue, and various organ systems in the body.
Okay, thank you, Bella. I understand now.
So there's now, did you talk about growth retardation?
Yes. Among the major symptoms for this syndrome is growth retardation. The cat will have problems in the terms of bone development and also health system.
Is there anything that they say about mental retardation?
Some may occur mental retardation, but most of the time it will not affect the intelligence of the cats.
Actually, retardation, the meaning of retardation is not people that don't have any limbs or something like that. Retardation is actually characterized by the slowness or limitation of intellectual thinking and understanding. So when he said about mental retardation means means retardation is a mental thing.
But from what I read earlier, this disease doesn't usually cause abnormality in intellect. So I think
It's more the physically measures.
Alright. So, anything that you guys want to... Anything you guys want to add for this disease?
How about how to cure this disease? Is there anything that you can...
As far as I know, there is no cure for this kind of disease. Because
So this is a suitable area for us to do research and in the future
Yeah,
find
because this kind of disease affect the lysosome of the cells. So it's kind of hard for the cure to penetrate the cell and repair the lysosome.
Do you know what's the function of the lysosomes?
Yeah, she just said about it earlier.
That's why it's very hard to repair the lysosome itself.
Yeah, because what's the function again?
as the primary digestive units within cells.
Yeah.
it's something that is basic in this ourselves.
Means it's like a defense mechanism in our cells. If other pathogens come into the cells, this lysosome will engulf it and digest it. So if we don't have any lysosomes in our cells, when any pathogen comes in, this will cause a disease because our cells cannot fight off the...
Because we are easily infected.
Yes, that's the thing.
Is lysosome considered as white blood cell?
No, because in cells, in each cell there is lysosomes.
Yeah,
White blood cells is
it's an organelle.
it's an organelle in the cell. white blood cells are specific cells that are specified already.
So basically, this is the last line of defense of the body.
It's not
No.
considered, it's not included in any defined line
Defense.
at all.
Oh.
It's just a normal organelle that function. Not only pathogen, it's also unwanted cell.
Yeah.
All those,
Worn out cell, dead
Yeah.
cells.
So,
Oh, yeah.
if this cell is old, it will self-destruct. A lysosome can self-destruct. Means it can destroy that own cell.
So,
Yeah.
Can we say that lysosome is inside white blood cell?
yeah.
Yes. Oh, okay.
Mm.
So I think that's all for our discussion today. Thank you for coming, and thank you. Have a good day.
Thank you.